Saengtham College, an integral part of the Luxembourg Major Seminary, which was established by the Catholic Bishops' Conference of Thailand in 1972, is one of the private colleges for higher education in Thailand. In the beginning, the first group of 26 seminarians had to stay in the house of the Salesian at Hue Hin for 6 months because the construction was not yet finished. Later on, they were moved to Sampra. The students who did the first 4 years and later finished their studies in Sampra did not obtain any degrees. On April 19, 1976, Saengtham College was recognized by the Ministry of Education as the government-recognized private college for higher education. In 1979, the Ministry of Education then approved the Bachelor of Arts program in Philosophy and Bachelor of Divinity in Theology. The college faces many challenges because of the rapid changes in the world today, but it still keeps its identity as a formation institute for clergy, religious, and lay leaders of Catholic faith. As the demands for improvement in the quality of the college education continues, the Ministry of Education subsequently approved a syllabus better adapted to the formation of candidates for the priesthood and religious students. So now Saengtham College grants the following degrees. Up to the present time, Saengtham College continues its role and mission with the motto, "Religious light is the source of true wisdom and life." To fulfill its mission, it needs good governance, cooperation, and unity among all sectors who take part in the college in order to give good graduates to serve the church and Thai society. The College Council, the Executive Board, professors, teachers, and officers all have the same focus to fulfill the college's vision. Saengtham is the source of knowledge that gives light to human life and promotes goodness in society in accordance with Christian disciplines. Its mission are: first, to provide teaching for higher education in philosophy and religious disciplines. Second, for growing development of the moral and spiritual dimensions. Third, to do academic research, especially in philosophy, religions, and cultures. Fourth, to make an economic contribution to society and promote the arts and cultures of the Thai nation. The college administration emphasizes the development of personnel, the model of a community of learning, and the development of Christian identity, cultural values, and the traditional wisdom of Thailand. The academic faculty encourages research in philosophy and religions. The Christian faith empowers students' abilities to be good leaders, people of virtue, capable of sacrifice and commitment to serve the church and society. The student affairs faculty helps students to develop their potentiality and achieve human excellence and virtue, to acquire knowledge and to make commitments for the good of others. To be a good shepherd, all aspects of human being need to be developed. The mature person needs physical, spiritual, intellectual, pastoral, and missionary development. Therefore, the college organizes many activities, sports and games, pastoral activities, volunteer camping for development in rural areas, missionary orientation in villages, etc. จากใจที่แสนซื่อตรงถวายแด่องค์
เจ้าจอมราชัน
The quality of students indicates the quality and success of education management. Our students won some of the prizes of excellence among university students of the central part of Thailand. They are the following: Mr. Pitisan Pongchirapan in academic year 2008, Mr. Buncharat Suksawat in academic year 2009, Mr. Pumaret Pupa in academic year 2010. Since the beginning in 1972, Saengtham College has offered the light of the gospel to the Thai people and society. The name Saengtham comes from the light of the gospel. The college tries to be true to its name and motto. Religious light is the source of true wisdom and life.